welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my current favorites, which will include makeup, skincare, room decor, and also a few of my birthday gifts which I have been loving. And also quick reminder, I am hosting a 10k giveaway. So if you don't know anything about it, make sure you hit the link over here and go and check it out fatafat. All the details and the rules are mentioned in the description box of the 10k vlog, so go and check it out and make sure you participate. So yeah, that's about it. Now without any further ado, let's just jump in today's video. Let's talk about room decor items first. So I have 3 room decor items which I have been loving and वो तीनों इधर है. So I've created this cute सा corner for my YouTube videos and I'll quickly give you the details. So the first thing that I got is this. Now this is how it looks like. This is a LED light and ये R मेरा initial के लिए, that is Rutuja, and I feel it is such a classic piece. Like even if you don't keep the candle over here, it will just add so much to the background. So I just got it. I got this for $4.99 and I think it is totally worth it. I'll leave all the links in the description box below, so if in case you want to check any of the products that I'll be mentioning in the video, you can definitely go and hit the link in the description box. The next cute item is this candle. Now this was gifted to me by my friend Saurabh. Now this is from Miniso. I know this because I randomly told him that I want to try out the Miniso candle. So if you're someone who wants to try out candles and you are like me जिसको Bath and Body Works से candles में invest नहीं करना है right now, so you can definitely go and check this out because it has a very mild smell and I'm really liking this. Even if you keep it आपके घर पे ऐसे ही, it will add so much to your space and I just feel it has a very classic vibe because it's white in color. The third and my most favorite item in this room decor is this coaster. Now I got this from Goa. I went to Goa last month, so I got 4 of them and yeah, this is how it looks like. I got them for 200, so that means 50 ka ek piece hai, and I specifically got them because I wanted to add a beachy touch to my background because I am a beach person and I wanted something in my background which could resemble with beach, so that's why I got this. And I think it's such a rare piece and this is totally handmade, as you can see. So I think I did a good job. To sum it up, I really love the classic vibe and the beach vibe that this corner is giving. So yeah, that's about the room decor ka part. Now I will quickly jump to my makeup and skincare favorites. So for my first makeup favorite, I have this Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. Now guys, trust me, this is the best mascara I have ever used. And fun story, मैं जब भी इसको add to cart करती थी, जब तक I used to go and check out, तब तक ये पूरा आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता था. एंड आई इवन ट्राई टू गेट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस ऑफलाइन, बट ऑफलाइन भी ये मुझे किधर भी नहीं मिला. सो इट सेज अ लॉट अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. नाउ इसके जो ब्रिसल्स है ना मस्कारा के, दे आर सो गुड दैट वो आपके नेचुरल जो आई लैशेज होते हैं ना उसको इतना वॉल्यूमनेस बना देते हैं. सो इफ इन केस यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ मस्कारा विच वुड एड वॉल्यूम टू योर eyelashes and you're not into falsies, you should definitely go and check it out because on the days where you don't want to do anything to your eyes and just kajal and like mascara आप ये लगा दोगे ना, you will look so fresh. And that's what I have been doing. And yeah, this is for $5.99 and it is worth every penny. I got this for $519, but yeah, whatever, you get my point. So moving to the second item. Now second item is this Vega का eyelash color. So मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि एक eyelash color इतना ज़्यादा फ़ायदे का होता है. I got this for 154 rupees from Amazon. Again, you will find the link in the description box below if you want that मस्त ऐसा curve आपके eyelashes के लिए. This is it. And उसके साथ ये like this combo is my favorite combo and ये price point of view से भी बहुत ज़्यादा cheap है. And if you want your eyes to do the talking, you should definitely invest in these 2 products. So on to my third makeup favorite. Now again ये eyes से related है. So I'm talking about the Insta Liner from Lakme. So I got this cute combo for 216 rupees and you will always find it on discount on Nykaa. So ये budget point of view से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. And the quality, oh my god, like if you are into liners and if you haven't tried this out, I think you're missing out on a gem product. For someone like me who has been into kajal for the longest time, I have been loving this and I have switched to liner only because of this. So it says a lot about the product and you should go and check it out for yourself. I'll quickly swatch it for you guys. Now ये blue liner तो मेरा personal favorite है. As you can see, मैंने आज भी वही लगा है. I hope you can see. Yeah, so just look at it. It is so vibrant and oh my god, like perfect for a pop of color. And black is also very pretty. Like, wait, I quickly swatch it for you guys as well. मतलब 108 के लिए you're getting one liner, वो भी इतना amazing. Like, just look at it. If you are searching for a good liner, you should definitely invest your money in this, and trust me, you're going to be really happy. And thank you, Neha, for suggesting these liners to me. I don't think I'm switching on to any other liners for a long period of time now. I have one more makeup favorite. So this is a makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. Now this is also a very budget friendly product. For the longest time I was never into using makeup fixers, but since I got this product, it has just changed the game for me because it just makes my makeup sit in the right place. And I have seen that, you know, बहुत long last भी करता है मेरा makeup. There are no creases and everything. It is around $250, but I got this in discount, वो भी 220 के लिए, so और नीचे आ गया था इसका price. And guys, if you are a beginner and if you want to get your hands on a good makeup fixer, look no further. This is it for you. And it has aloe vera and vitamin A, which will help your skin to stay hydrated. And I have been using this for over 3 months now, and I have been literally loving this. Moving on to skincare. Now for skincare, I only have one product. So this is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. It is just so amazing. It keeps your skin so hydrated. It has a very gel-like consistency and it just adds glow instantly. And just look at it. कितना फ्रेश लग रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा हाइलाइटर यूज़ किया है. And I have applied this as a base moisturizer, and just look at me, I'm just glowing because of this. So this is my everyday moisturizer right now, and again it's very budget friendly. I think ये सारे items जो मैंने अभी तक बताया, they are very budget friendly and are the best. So if you are someone who has like a combination skin type, specifically a dry skin type, you should definitely check this out. This is your product for summers, and it will keep you guys hydrated for a very long period of time. And it also comes in 2 sizes, so I have got the smaller one because I just wanted to test it out first before investing in the bigger version. But एक बार ये खत्म होने के बाद, I think I'm just going to go and invest in the bigger one. So yeah, I think that's about the skincare and makeup favorites. Now we'll quickly jump to my birthday favorites. So to start with, I have this gorgeous bag. Now if you have been a follower, you know कि मेरा जो पहले वाला ब्लैक बैग था वो ख़राब हो गया था, एंड आई वांटेड टू गेट माई हैंड्स ऑन अ सिमिलर वर्जन, एंड आई वाजंट गेटिंग इट ऑनेस्टली, बट माई फ्रेंड प्रियंका वेरी काइंडली गिफ्टेड दिस टू मी, एंड आई वॉज इन लव विद इट सिंस द मिनट आई सॉ दिस. एंड आई एम जस्ट सो ग्रेटफुल दैट यू नो मेरे सारे बर्थडे गिफ्ट्स ऐसे जो मेरे को चाहिए थे, एंड मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स ने एकदम ऐसे डिटेल में जाके मेरे को स्टडी किया एंड मेरे को बर्थडे गिफ्ट्स दिए. सो या, दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. एंड यू नो यू कैन डिटैच द चेन फ्रॉम ईयर. सो आप इसको एक हैंड बैग की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, स्लिंग की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड माई फेवरेट एलिमेंट इन दिस बैग इज दिस गोल्डन चेन. नाउ आई एम समवन हु लव्स गोल्डन एंड ब्लैक का कॉम्बिनेशन व्हेन इट कम्स टू बैग. आई जस्ट फील इट लुक्स सो क्लासी, एंड यू नो इट जस्ट गिव्स अ वेरी लग्जरियस वाइब टू योर एंटायर आउटफिट. सो आई रियली लव इट. सेकेंड फेवरेट इज अगेन अ बैग. नाउ मेरे को इतने सारे बैग मिले ये बर्थडे पे, बट उसमें से ये 2 मेरे काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेवरेट है. सो दिस इज़ कैप्सूल सा बैग, आई थिंक, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. एंड ये बस दिखता छोटा है, बट आई हैव बिन वेयरिंग दिस थ्रू आउट माई गोवा ट्रिप, एंड मैंने इसमें क्या क्या नहीं फिट किया है, एंड ये अभी तक टूटा नहीं है. सो आई थिंक इट्स रियली वेरी अमेजिंग. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्लासी पीस, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रीट स्टाइल काइंड ऑफ पीस, and you know my obsession for streetwear. So yeah, I think this is also something that I am going to use for a very long period of time. So this was gifted to me by my friend Gauri. So thank you for gifting this to me, and thank you Priyanka for this. So moving on to a very random favorite item. Now this bucket hat was gifted to me by Saurabh, and this is my favorite hat because मुझे ऐसा bucket hat मिल ही नहीं रहा था. So he just randomly gifted this to me, and जब से I have wore this, it looks very amazing on outfits. So as I mentioned earlier also that I am into street style, and street style outfits के ऊपर ये मस्त ऐसा element की तरह add करता है. And I think this bucket hat really ups your fashion game because ये 2021 का trend भी है, and yeah, I love this. So moving on to my next favorite birthday gift. Now this is a bathrobe. I wanted a bathrobe for a very long time. एंड मेरे पास लास्ट बाथरोब जो था वो पिंक कलर का था जब आई वॉज 6 years old. I was just having this conversation with my mom and I was just telling her that I want a white bathrobe, and I think Kalpi aunty bhi thi udhar, so she remembered this and she gifted this to me. I was like, oh my god, इतने सारे small details सबको याद थे मेरे बारे में, like the bag, the bathrobe, the hat and everything जो मुझे भी याद नहीं थे. So I am really very grateful for the gifts that I have received. Talking more about the bathrobe, now I wanted it in white only and I'm so thankful कि उन्होंने मुझे white color ही दिया. And it has a cute pocket and it comes with a belt, nothing fancy, but it's just that I wanted it and I got it, so I'm really in love with it. That's about it. So moving on to the second favorite clothing item. Now this is my birthday top. Now honestly I was contemplating if I should add this in my favorites video because ये आपने already देख लिया मेरे birthday vlog में. अगर नहीं देखा so please go and check out my birthday vlog over here. So yeah, this is how the top looks like. I am in love with this top because of this, specifically because of this. The sleeves are just so amazing. It just steals the show for me. And yeah, it is in blush pink color, so you know my obsession with blush pink. So yeah, I just had to add this in my favorites. And I got this for 750 from a store in Lokhandwala called as Glamour, so you can go and check it out. That uncle was also very sweet. He gave me a birthday discount, so you shout out to you if you're watching this. Now the last item that I have is this cute sa AirPods ka cover. Now I got this because of the color combination and it was in trend for a very long period of time. इसका एक दूसरा version भी आता है which is very vibrant, but I am into like soft pastel colors जो भी होता है वो. So I just took this for myself and this is for 200 again. So yeah, don't give 400 for this, guys. Everyone will charge 400 but you will get this for 200. So talking about the showstopper of today's video and the best birthday gift that I have received in 2021 is this Casio watch from their vintage collection. So this is how it looks like. This was gifted to me by my dad on this birthday and oh my god, I am in love with this watch. And you know, जब से I have got my hands on this, मैं बाहर भी नहीं जाती हूँ तो मैं घर पे भी इसको पहन के रखती हूँ. That's the level of प्यार that I have for this watch. I don't know why the first time I saw this I fell in love with this and उसके बाद से I was like I need this. So one fine day randomly I told my dad that you know I want this and he was like yeah okay we'll get it. I am someone who loves ऐसे बड़े watches, so मेरे पास जितने भी watches है वो सारे Casio के हैं. The point is कि वो सारे ऐसे बड़े हैं, like ऐसे बहुत ऐसे strong rugged, and I am someone who loves those kind of watches. But as I said also, when I saw this I was like I fell in love with it for the first time and बोलते ना ऐसे love at first sight था, तो वो exactly वो था मेरे वॉच के लिए. And I don't think for a very long period of time there will be a watch जो मेरे ये वॉच के प्यार को बीट कर सकता है. So yeah, thank you so much Tatsu for gifting this to me and I love to wear my watch ऐसे उल्टा. One more fun fact about me, I don't know why, I just love to wear it as a ulta. So that brings us to the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know which was your favorite item. And yeah, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. Follow me on my Instagram, go and take part in the 10K giveaway. And that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care, bye bye.